I like to play with the trolley. Trolley, just make it go back there. That way. All right, trolley. This is the day we pretend that Big Bird comes to visit X the Owl in the neighborhood of make-believe. Are you ready for that? A visit from Big Bird.
The man who wears the costume on the program, his name is Caroll Spinney, and a delightful person. And he's been doing Big Bird since Sesame Street came on the air.
Boy, you are big. I think you've grown since I saw you at convention.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I grow a lot, and then sometimes I don't.
And how he operates Big Bird, it's really considered a puppet. It's a big puppet. But, you know, he has one hand up, and in the costume, so he can see the other actors, there's a little monitor in the costume, a little TV set, so he can see what's going on around on the soundstage. And that's how he communicates with the other actors. But he said sometimes when he operates Big Bird's mouth with his hand. So it really is an awkward way to spend time taping. He's got to take breaks every so often.
It's a beautiful day in your neighborhood.
Here he comes.
Oh, here I am.
Hello, Big Bird.
Where?
Big Bird.
Oh, hello, Mr. Handyman Negri. Hi, X.
Hi, Big Bird. I'm so glad to see you.
Gosh, you got all kinds of pictures. I mean, and signs up there for me.
Yeah, welcome, Big Bird, it says.
Oh, boy.
But Caroll was such a wonderful man. We would go out and have dinner occasionally when he was in town, and when we traveled together, we'd all have dinner and reminisce about both programs, because Sesame Street and Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood began around the same time, back in the late 60s. And his wife traveled with him, and they were such a devoted couple. And she would help him with autographs and be at his side when we were meeting and greeting. But he's such a wonderful man, and he also did the voice on Sesame Street.
Oh, hey, fella, what's that book you're reading there, huh?
Everything you wanted to know about ghosts but were afraid to ask. It's really trash.
Oh, well, I happen to like trash.
Oscar the Grouch. He does Oscar the Grouch. And Caroll Spinney and I have done a lot of appearances around the country together, meeting and greeting children. And sometimes he'll bring Oscar with him, and he talks to the kids too. But Caroll is such a wonderful person, and I can't say enough nice things about Caroll Spinney, a lovely man, and devoted to making good television for children.
As long as I can hold my head up this high, I want to continue. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.